The bulb is burned out on this '02 Toyota Camry, so in this video we're going to replace it. You can see that on this side they're both working, but over here on this side, this is not working. Now in the back of the headlight is where it is. It's a twist out, so it's pretty tight. You gotta do it one-handed, you can't fit two hands. Grab it and twist it, and now it pulls right out. Now we can twist this out and pull back, and then it comes right out. And then the tricky part is unplugging it one-handed because you can't fit a second hand in here. On the back of the plug, you have to push down on that tab, and that'll loosen it up. There it is. Now out with the old and in with the new. Before we go and buy a new light bulb, let's see on our light bulbs box here if we have another light bulb like this one. And look at that. That is exactly the same. Make sure the plugs are the same. And make sure that that wire isn't broken. That's important. And that wire looks like it's in great shape. I like this one a bit better. The wire's in better shape. It seems like it's never been used. This one looks like it still would work fine, but it has been used, so I'm gonna go with it. Here's the plug, and we're pushing right on that tab there, and that will release it, and we can pull out the light. If you're replacing this bulb, you wanna make sure you don't touch the light, and if you do, just make sure you wipe it off. Get everything clean. You don't want finger oils on this bulb. Now the tricky part is to get it back in. Now instead of plugging it in first, then putting it in the hole, because that would probably require me touching it, I'm gonna put it in the hole, lock it in, and then plug it. Now that it's in place, we can go ahead and plug it in. It can be a little tricky to clip that plug on there, but once you get it, you can see our light turned right on. And here's the part number, HB49006, and I'm guessing this is more of a standard light bulb. It seems like most cars have some kind of standard shape, size plug in the light. So that's how you change a light bulb on a 2002 Toyota Camry.